Welcome back to Beautyistic. If your skin's been feeling like the Sahara Desert, or you've been hunting for that one toner that does more than just swipe away residue, today's spotlight might just get your attention. We're talking about the BYOMA Hydrating Milky Toner, a dewy, ultra-hydrating facial toner designed to soothe the skin, restore your barrier, and leave your face looking like it just had a tall drink of water. So what exactly are we working with here? This toner comes in a creamy, milky consistency that feels more like a lightweight essence than your traditional watery toner. Its formula is all about barrier repair and deep hydration, featuring BYOMA's signature barrier lipid complex alongside polyglutamic acid and Cica. That means moisture retention, calming benefits, and reinforcement of your skin's natural defenses, all without the usual suspects like alcohol or added fragrance. It's vegan, cruelty-free, dermatologist-approved, and non-comedogenic. Translation? It's gentle enough for sensitive and breakout-prone skin, but still delivers visible, functional hydration for pretty much anyone. Now let's talk about real use. How did it actually perform? I started using this during my nighttime routine after cleansing, pressing it in with my palms instead of cotton pads to really feel the texture. It's got a creamy glide, absorbs fairly quickly without leaving any tacky film, and instantly gave my skin that bouncy, plump finish. I tested it in both humid and dry conditions, and it held up well on both fronts. What stood out was how it softened dry patches around my chin and cheeks almost immediately, and over the next few days, I noticed less redness in those areas. It layers beautifully with serums and moisturizers, and never once caused pilling. For morning use, it sat well under makeup too, acting almost like a hydrating primer. Of course, nothing is perfect. The only hitch for me is that the milky texture might not be everyone's preference, especially if you lean more towards super lightweight or gel-like toners. Also, while the hydration is long-lasting, it's not going to replace a serum or cream if you have very dry skin. It's a companion, not a solo act. But let's break it down. Pros: rich hydration without heaviness, calms and soothes visibly irritated skin, barrier-supporting formula with ceramides, no alcohol, fragrance, or harsh fillers, safe for sensitive and acne-prone skin. Cons: texture may feel too rich for oily or combo skin in hot weather, won't fully replace a moisturizer for severely dry skin. The bottle design, while sleek, makes it hard to tell how much product is left. Now let's talk value. For the price point, which sits comfortably in the mid-range bracket, you're getting a well-formulated, dermatologist-approved product with ingredients that are often reserved for higher-end skincare. Ceramides, polyglutamic acid, and Cica in one blend? That's not something you see every day at this price. So yes, it justifies the cost, especially if you're looking for more than a step in your routine and actually want your toner to do something. Wondering how it compares? If you've tried the Laneige Cream Skin Toner and Moisturizer, this feels like its more barrier-friendly cousin, less dewy, but more calming. Versus something like the Pixie Milky Toner, BYOMA feels cleaner, more science-backed, and has a better skin-identical lipid profile. And if you're a fan of K-beauty toners but want something with Western availability and cleaner marketing, this hits that sweet spot. In terms of packaging and build, the bottle feels durable and clean with a twist cap that's easy to use. But BYOMA's signature square shape can be a bit clunky for small bathroom shelves. Still, it protects the integrity of the product, and the opaque bottle helps prevent light degradation, which is a plus for preserving active ingredients. I haven't needed to contact customer service for this product specifically, but BYOMA has built a solid reputation for being transparent, responsive, and very clear about their ingredients and values. Their website is informative and consumer-friendly, which always earns extra points. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Now, if you're on a tighter budget but still want barrier support, you might want to check out The Ordinary's Hyaluronic Acid Plus B5, followed by their natural moisturizing factors. It's not a toner, but together they mimic the hydrating and calming effect at a fraction of the price. Still, for an all-in-one, no-fuss experience in a single step, BYOMA's toner makes a strong case. So what's the final verdict? The BYOMA Hydrating Milky Toner absolutely delivers on its promises. It hydrates, soothes, and supports the skin barrier without clogging pores or irritating sensitive complexions. It's a smart, thoughtful formulation designed for modern skin concerns like overexfoliation and environmental stress. While not revolutionary in texture, it's exceptionally well-rounded in results. If you've got dry, reactive, or stressed skin, or if you're looking to simplify your routine without compromising effectiveness, this might be your next go-to. Just remember, it works best as part of a team. Pair it with a good moisturizer and sunscreen, and you're golden. Thanks for watching Beautyistic. You'll find the purchase link in the description or comments below. And if you've already tried this toner, we'd love to hear your experience. Drop a comment and let's talk skin. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.